Here's my 1918 Hunter C-18 ceiling fan. I just got done restoring it. It was very rusty when I first got it, and let me turn the lights down. And I had the thing sandblasted, and I copper plated it and dipped it in liver of sulfur to turn it black, and then I put a special pattern on it so that the copper still shows through. And it's a special version that has adjustable fan blade pitch. So there's a lever here that you can move up and down, and it changes how much wind blows, and even the direction. And I made some lights for it, and I liver sulfured them also to give them a black and copper look. And I'll start it up. The thing is very heavy. Also down on the bottom is one of the old-fashioned rotary switches where you can click it through different speeds. So it turned out pretty good for a 100-year-old fan.